accelerometer, or it can be said as accelerometer based robot control. And the main criteria of this project is that the movements of the robot are controlled by the movement of hand. That means if I bend it forward, you can see here this is the remote. If I bend my hand forward in forward direction, the robot will move forward. If I bend it backward in this way, it means that robot will move reverse, and similarly to left and this way to right. So you can see here that I have attached this PCB, that means the sensor, to my hand by the need of this elastic, and this is the antenna to transmit the data. So here you can see the accelerometer. The accelerometer is used to sense the tilt, that is forward reverse in angle, which is parallel to the earth's surface and normal to the gravity. And here this is the sensor, 433 megahertz sensor, which is used to transmit the data. Here and for the sensing this, I have used the IC called as Atmega 8, which is a microcontroller. So as for the conversion for analog to digital values, and encoder is also used, that is parallel to serial converter, which is then transmitted in wireless by the use of this 433 megahertz transmitter. So the remote, the PCB is small, as you can see it is just like a size of my palm, and here I am using this battery. So this is how I am adjusting it. You can see here the digital values. In camera it cannot be seen properly because it has focus directly on the lens, but still you can see it. These are the digital values, and these four are the data that are assigned when I move my hand in forward and in backward direction. That is, see here, now all the LEDs are off. It means that there is no movement of the hand. Now once when I move the hand in forward direction, you can see that the 3 LED glows. When in right, the 2 LED glows. Again straight, there is no LED glowing. In left hand, there is 2 LED glowing again, and in backward direction there is 1 LED glowing. So these are the data that are assigned in forward, reverse, backward, front direction. Now we'll go towards the robot. So here we can see the robot. So this is how my robot is. It consists of wireless camera, and whatever the data that I will be sending here, it will be received and indicated by these LEDs. This is the battery, receiving antenna, and now just I'll connect the power supply to my bot. Okay, fine. Now my robot is activated. Even I have connected the wireless camera to this. Now see, if I bend it in forward direction, now my robot is still. And the basic concept of creating this bot is I have tried hard so that the size of my bot is as small as possible. Now you can see that my remote and bot both are activated. So when I tilt my hand in forward direction, my bot is moving front. Again, now it is still, my bot has stopped. You can see here my hand. Now if I bend in backward direction, my bot will move backward. Again, when it is straight, my bot will stop. Again front, stop. Now if I tilt my hand in left direction, you can see that it will move in left. Again, now if I move my hand in right direction, it will move towards right. Again in front, back. Again if I move in left, it will be left. Again in right, it will be right. Forward, reverse. So this is how the basic concept of transmitting and receiving. Actually I am not using any kind of buttons or anything else, but instead I am using the tilt of the PCB, in which the sensor is mounted, what we call it as an accelerometer. It's